Hey guys, just wanted to show you what I'm talking about when I refer to all this 3D printing stuff for the coronavirus pandemic. This is my Tevo Tornado 3D printer, and it's currently printing some mask extensions that we've been printing for local doctors and nurses and first responders here in the area. These mask extenders allow you to wear them on the back of your head, and for those people who are wearing masks that have elastic bands that connect behind the ears, it's starting to really kind of wear down their ears. And so these are very flexible, and they can sit on the back of your head with little fingers that allow you to connect the elastic to the extenders instead of directly to the back of the ears. So this is my Artillery Sidewinder X1 that we just got yesterday. We got it set up and it's printing. This batch is done. I'm just waiting for the bed to cool to be able to pull them off. Let's see, you can actually see here. Nice and flexible, kind of little thick. In addition to the mask extenders, I'm also printing bias tape makers for the sewing community. Elastic is super hard to find right now. You can't just go to Walmart and buy it, even with the lockdown. This allows you to take a strip of cloth from one end that's a little larger. When it goes through the device, it'll come up the other end folded in a smaller version and allow people to feed it through a sewing machine to make straps to use for masks. Been printing a couple different types, different sizes, depending on what the community actually needs. In addition to the mask extenders, I was also printing some visor shields. The materials for the visors are getting a little hard to source for the acrylic shields themselves, and so I've been focusing my efforts on the mask extenders and the bias tapes for right now. In addition to that, I've also been printing the Montana masks. This is what I actually started with, and it's a mask that allows you to be able to take off the front end and insert a reusable filter like a HEPA filter or vacuum bag filter, and allows you to fit it to your face. Unfortunately, these are found to not be as good of a seal on your face, and so a lot of people are no longer printing these for use, but they're actually printing these to be used in a mold to make silicone face masks out of, so that way the silicone actually binds better to the face. And so these are still in use, just not with the materials that we're using in 3D printing. This poor printer is in the process of having a hot end replaced on it. We're putting a Volcano on it, so that way it actually prints a little faster. Should be up and running tomorrow. And then for those of you who have donated to my GoFundMe, I really appreciate all of the help financially to be able to source some more filament. This will last me a little while to get all of these different mask extensions and bias tape makers to the people that need it the most. And so I really appreciate the donations that you guys have sent already to cover the cost of filament, because it was starting to get a little expensive doing it on our own. So great community effort. Really, truly appreciate the help. But that's it. That's what I'm doing right now, 3D printing. Hopefully that makes a little more sense and you guys can see it in action here. I'm going to go ahead and get the ones off of my other printer here and keep printing. If you have any questions, let me know. Stay safe.